Welcome back, friends, to another video. Friends, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein said. Enter silence. Let nature heal you of everything that hurts. Slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Nature is painting for us day after day pictures of infinite beauty. Once you realize that earth and heart have the same letters, it all starts to make sense. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. The greener the setting, the more the relief. Nature shows us how to live, love, and grow alongside each other. To walk into nature is to witness 1,000 miracles. The best way to escape all the chaos in life is by getting lost in nature and feeling its beauty. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Looking at the beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind. Nature, in her green, tranquil woods, heals and soothes all afflictions. Nature is the greatest place to heal and recharge. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher. Nature has always been and will always be the best medicine. Simplicity is the beauty of nature, and silence is its fragrance. Nature is the purest portal to inner peace. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Colors are the smiles of nature. Nature doesn't hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Walk in nature and feel the healing power of the trees. Every living organism is fulfilled when it follows the right path for its own nature. The subtleties of the natural world remind us that there is wisdom in silence and power in quiet observation. Nature repairs everything. Take a quiet walk with Mother Nature. It will nurture your mind, body, and soul. If we surrendered to Earth's intelligence, we could rise up rooted like trees. Go to nature to get your stolen soul back. Time spent among trees is never wasted, as spending time with the nature hits different. And friends, I'll wrap up the video with this one, that's silence and peace. This is what we want.